Hi friends, myself Dr. Vivek Shukla. I am working as assistant professor in Bombay Veterinary College. I was suffering from severe throat irritation and snoring. I started taking medicine from Dr. Shah for the last 2 months, and after taking his medicine for the 15 days only, I was very much relieved. So I would like to thank Dr. Shah and Welcome Cure for their efforts and I would like to recommend everyone to follow the homeopathic medicine in their life, especially for the chronic diseases.